Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Just coming through with a little small announcement. As you can see by the title, I do need y'all's support. Okay, so before we get into this video, you already know what you need to do. And pardon me filming on my phone. That is what I am doing at the very moment. My camera is not charged up. But anyways, thumbs up this video for me, please, before we get started. Subscribe to this channel. If you are new, you're going to want to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. So today, you guys, I am just talking about how I have launched a faux loc line, basically my faux loc brand. Just basically trying to test the waters out. It's been a dream of mine for the longest. I just decided to, I don't know, start right where I am, whether I have all of the resources or not, starting with one type of loc. I do want to give a big thanks to everyone who has purchased a set of these locs already. I still have a few left online. You want to run, not walk. This is a run, not walk situation. Purchase your set of locs. They are on sale. You only need one set of locs, meaning your set comes with 5 packs of locs. These are the locs here. It just comes in a package like so. So when you make an order, you only need one order. When you make an order, 5 packs comes with your order, and a crochet needle. Crochet needle comes with your order as well. Crochet hook. In each pack, there are 24 strands. This is what one bundle looks like. And guys, I have a video on these locs already. So if you have not checked out that video concerning these locs, I would appreciate it. You'll probably see the link in the corner of the screen, or you'll find the link in the description box or the comments, depending on where you're watching this video. But look how pretty this color is. Look how pretty the color is, y'all. It is a 3-tone loc. And for the people who have bought them already, they like them. They said they are very light, very lightweight. Very lightweight, and I know that to be true. So you're gonna want to go to the link in the description box if you're interested in purchasing. As my company grows, things will be improved, and there will be more colors, more wide variety of colors, different things like that, because I have had people to ask, do you have just regular black locs? I'm like, I don't. I just have this color here. That is what I'm starting out with. I'm testing the waters, you guys. I'm trying to get my loc company off the ground. I'm actually being vulnerable right now and open with you guys and transparent with you guys by telling you guys where I stand. So the first 4 people who buy the set of locs right now, you're gonna get a gift. You're gonna get a gift that comes with your order. I'll be sure to include a gift with your order. I can't say what the gift is, so yeah, most likely it will be hair related. That is pretty much it, y'all. I just came through to tell you guys that. Trying to get my coins. Also, if there's any small businesses out there, if you're a small business, do comment below. You could comment your information, whatever, on this video. Free advertisement, go ahead. If you have a small business, hair company, lash company, whatever it is, I want you to comment it below this video. So any type of small business, is it an online business, whatever, comment your information underneath this video here. I want to see what y'all working with. Let's vibe, let's grow together. Damn. Bug. Heck. Y'all see my lashes though? They are Dream Chanel lashes. It's actually a friend of mine's lash company, black owned lash company. Also, if anybody needs like a video done, a review on their products, a review on their clothing line, hairline, whatever, you can hit my email. Email should be in the description box, the info box. But I am giving y'all a chance to advertise underneath this video. You can comment your business, social media channels, websites, all of that. Just, you could comment it in the comment box. I don't mind at all. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Yes. 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 Bye, guys. So yeah, guys, this is what I have left. I have one box of these left. Yeah. So many packs in here, but I'm selling them by the set. I don't do extra packs or anything. 5 packs is what you get as of now. If you need extra packs, you have to buy 2 sets. If that's what you need, buy it, sis. Yeah, this is my inventory that I have left. This is crazy. So yeah, and then the crochet hooks are right here. These are the crochet hooks that I have left. So yeah, you guys.